pretty Peterbilt right here. Too bad we're stuck in gridlock traffic here in Pennsylvania.
But we got a lot of eye candy. Take a shot at this.
Very good looking truck.
Isn't that cool? Yeah.
Boy, the scenery sure is nice. Love the mountains.
Oh my God, look at this.
If it wasn't raining, it'd be even better.
Oh man, this is cool.
You enjoying the road trip?
Oh man, I'm digging it, digging it, digging it. Good therapy. Look how they cut the mountain and everything, they put this road in.
Probably had to use dynamite.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So I talked to my wife while making this road trip to Macungie, Pennsylvania. And we are about 105 miles away from our hotel. And it is absolutely pouring outside. Look at this.
The windshield.
My God, it's pouring. Hard to do the speed limit when you're in torrential downpours. Dad's driving. He's doing a pretty good job of weathering through all this pouring rain we have going on here. Hopefully it'll let up soon. We want to get to our hotel. We're thinking about stopping and eating first though, because we've been on the road longer than we wanted to be, all because of the rain. We couldn't drive as fast as we wanted to.
Backups.
And we had some backups too. Well, after hours of torrential pouring rain, it is finally cleaned up. It is finally cleared up a little bit. Look at our nice little mountainous range in front of us. Little hilly roadside. Unfortunately, I have not come across any cool cars. Just a few cool semi-trucks. But hopefully, once we get to our destination, we will run into some really, really cool vehicles. Looky here, we got ourselves a tunnel.
Oh man, we're going into the Lane Tunnel in Pennsylvania right now.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah. You're what?
Look at this. Enjoyed that tunnel run. I hope the audio of the Mustang at high RPM going through the tunnel came out well. That was awfully a lot of fun. I haven't gone through a tunnel that big in quite a long time, so hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope the audio came through. Hey you guys, we made it to Pennsylvania. Took us about 10 hours, about 2 hours longer than it normally should take us to get here, but we drove through torrential rains and all kinds of construction and added to our trip out here. So we got a pretty nice room here. I'm pretty happy with it. Looks nice and spacious. I'll take you for a little tour here. Got a big bathroom with a high ceiling. Got a nice shower. So the accommodations here are pretty nice. So we'll be staying here for 3 days for the truck show and all, but just wanted to let you guys know we made it here, and we'll see you guys tomorrow when these semi-trucks start rolling in. Check out those brand new Macks.
It's the Mack truck factory, man, out of Allentown. Pretty cool.
Straight out of the factory.
Straight out of the factory. There they are.
All right, you guys, we're here at the first day of the Macungie Truck Festival. We just parked our car, and we got a little hiking to do before we get to the trucks themselves. So we'll see what the first day has in store. Hopefully we get to see a bunch of them driving around and moving around and stuff. No.
Yeah, here's the sensor for it, for the axle. Here's the sensor for it.
Oh, cool. Very, very nice. Very nice.
Very.
A20.
Oh, yeah.
Cummins power. Mack. Check out this Caterpillar truck. I've never seen it. Is it a Kenworth?
Yeah, cat-powered Kenworth.
Cat-powered Kenworth. That is awesome. Look at that. And this bumper, man, you don't want to bang your knee on your shin on that. Hurt yourself. This is super cool. I can't go up there, but I'm going to take you guys up there and see what it looks like inside. Hope it was a good view. We're having a good time here at this truck show. There's got to be a couple thousand trucks. Nothing, I've never seen anything like this before.
And black pipes, man. I like them black pipes.
I like the black pipes too.
I do, man. I like them black pipes.
So in the automotive world, we all love deep dish wheels, right? But have you ever seen deep dish wheels on a 1922 truck? Look at these babies. I've never in my life seen anything quite like this. I would say that's probably like a 30-some inch diameter rim. They don't make friggin' Michelins in her size anymore.
The tires are not pneumatic either.
No, these are all hard rubber.
Yeah, like on a
It's like steel.
yeah, like on a forklift.
Something new you don't see every day. I like this old girl here. You don't see it. Chain drive. Look at that. Chain drive. So you could change your differential gear from high to low. Comfortable, nice wood seat for you to sit on. A whole no gauges.
You know where the brakes are on this thing?
Not a clue.
Right here.
Yeah, oh yeah.
That's the braking system right
Yeah.
there.
Right there. This is super cool. Cummins. Haha. I see a little turbo in there. You know that's definitely an upgrade inside there. I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to get that inside there at all, but you'll be able to see the turbo in there, hopefully. All right, so I came across this 1963 T Diamond, I think they call it. And I want to know if any of you guys have ever seen anything quite like this before. this cast iron piece? If you do, shoot me a note in the comments. I'd love to know what that is. I've never seen anything like that before. So yeah, T Diamond from Columbus, Pennsylvania. Nice little daytime trucker. Love the wood. Look at that wood. That is sweet. And what you may not notice is this here is a chain drive truck too. 1943. You got the old chain and sprocket on her. Here, I'll give you guys a lift and show you what the interior looks like. No, I didn't get to the winch yet. Trying to give them a bird's eye view of what the interior looks like since I'm not 8 feet tall. Oh yeah, here we go. There's a winch in case you get stuck in the muck. Oh, this is beautiful. That's a beast. So when you think of Dodge Ram, you think of, you know, your common average pickup truck, right? Look at this Ram. The original big dog Ram. Look at this. Look at this. Cummins power, like they always are. Man, this would be cool to drive. Definitely like this truck. He's from Ontario. Well, good for you, my Canadian brother. You know how I'm always complaining in the winter about my dirt road and how crappy that it gets, right? Check this out. 1964 Oshkosh plow truck. They don't got the plow on it, but you can get the idea.
Check out the front of it, man. That's what's really cool.
Right, they got the big plow setup on it. Look at it. Big hydraulic ram on it. I love it. Then you got the exhaust going through the roof, or not the roof, the hood.
Look at it. That's a big hood, man.
Something you guys might know is I'm a big fan of the old Mack B series trucks. I don't know if I'll ever own one, but since I've been a kid, I've always found them rather fascinating. Here's a really nice two-tone red and black one. Day cab, dually. This thing's awesome. Look at the louvered grill. So when it's cold outside, you can shut the louvers. Man, what a nice truck. Maybe someday I get one of these to pull my enclosed car trailer. Guys, check out this V8 supercharged diesel semi.
It's a 8V71 Detroit diesel 2-cycle. The 71 means 71 cubic inches per cylinder, and as you can see on top, there's a supercharger. It's probably in a, oh, I don't know, maybe 870.
Look at
it's
this.
A big one, but it's a 2-cycle Detroit.
I will take you guys inside. Look at this. I've never seen an actual supercharger on a semi before. It's got the dual snorkel intake manifold on it. Look at this. Oh yeah, this is trick. I would love to hear this thing run. Let's see what else it looks like. It's kind of got that old school little look to it. Okay, look, she's a little beat up, but
it's called patina.
Patina, that's it. She got that patina going for herself. Check out the Termski we have here. Just to give you an idea, look at the size of my hand compared to this thing. It's massive. Oh yeah. She's on a beater looking. Look at this. Brockway.
Oh yeah, Brockway.
Alright, so we have come across my father's favorite semi-truck, and it is the 1947 Mack truck. Make sure I get a good video of this, because I know Dad's gonna come back and watch this video down the road and fall in love with this all over again.
Hey man, you gotta get the springs on this thing.
I will. I want to get the moonshine can.
Polish.
Oh man, this thing is so cool. Here we go. Look at these springs, you guys. Look at this. Talk about leaf springs. Now those are some leaf springs.
It's a double frame too.
Is it?
Double frame truck, yeah.
Yeah, what about your checkbook, Dad? What do you think?
For sale?
No.
when I was with Cindy, I could have got one for $37,000.
Man, that is awesome.
Isn't that a cool truck? And there should be some more too.
Look at the size of this guy's tire. Boom! So I was walking past this truck and the exhaust really caught my attention. I've never seen a exhaust quite go into a manifold quite like this before. Tell me what you guys think. You ever seen something like this before? That's what you call one heck of a, I don't know what you call it, but it looks cool from the front. I mean, look at this. They go way above the cab of the truck. It's a good looking truck. I mean, it's an International. Oh, Shelby would love that. Look at the little frozen dude on the window. What is it here? It's a 1987 International 9670. You don't want that riding your bumper on the freeway. Certified dirty diesel.
Dirty.
Oh, that's awesome. Dirty idle. Sorry. That's cool. Look at this exhaust manifold on display from this Autocar. What a beast. Holy cow. Just so you have an idea of how big this is.
Here's the air ride actuator.
Look at that. She's got a lot of patina on her, but still a really good looking truck. What is it? 1976 Autocar? Still a sharp looking truck. So my dad has brought something to my attention that he wants to show everybody. What we got here, Dad?
This is where they got the idea for a tracking bar on a differential for racing, is from one of these big guys and like that. This is the tracking bar for the Autocar that we have. This is the actuator. This was originally leaf spring, and what they did was they converted it to an air ride suspension, and this is what actuates the air ride suspension to keep it on the even plane.
Now I know dump trucks are supposed to be big and all, but look at this monster. This was a 1949 Model X, or no, LRX Mack dump truck. Look at the size of this thing. Dad, stand next to this thing just so it gives us some kind of perspective of, yeah, you're like barely taller than the wheel.
This is the big dog. This is the big dog right here.
Look at this. Cummins powered. He's from actually Allentown, Pennsylvania. Look at that. It's probably from the Mack Museum. They probably brought it out for today. Wow, look at this.
Joe told me,
And since I'm not 10 feet tall, I get to lift you guys up and you get to see what it looks like inside the bed of this. Bet there's a lot of space up there to haul a lot of dirt. Topsoil or gravel.
rock.
For rock?
This is, look at it. This is how this thing's made.
I don't know.
It's for rock. This is a rock dump.
Oh, okay.
This is off-road. This is like a quarry or something like that they would use.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
Let's see if I can take you guys up and lift you up into the cab. Maybe we can see what it looks like up there. Let's see here. Now you gotta remember the camera's like 8 feet in the air, 9 feet in the air. So hopefully we can see through the glass decent inside there and see what the cab looks like. This is definitely a cool truck. The old Ford 9000. I figured, you know, we got the GMC, we got the Dodge, we gotta have at least the Ford.
They used to do the photo shoots, man, at World Headquarters with those things. They had a huge auditorium where they would shoot the cars.
Really?
They'd shoot these too. They'd bring them in and do full shots of this too.
Hey, you folks, one more announcement while we're at it.
Oh yeah.
There are also
Massachusetts.
Little America mud flaps available right behind the registration.
I like the covers on the stacks. Look at it.
Flaps, they are fantastic. They are.
Old Bubba. Real trucks have 2 sticks. Oh, that's cool.
And it's turbocharged.
Oh, I bet it is turbocharged.
Yeah, because I've seen the engine on it.
He's from New York. New York! Oh yeah. Really?
They're it was made in Indiana.
That is so cool. I had to get it on video. 1946. Crosley. This is definitely unique. Look at, you got a V8 Caterpillar, from what I can tell. Oh no, there's a turbo in there. Hey, there's a turbo in there.
There is.
Right there. Yeah, you can barely see it, but it's in there. Oh yeah, look at this. The old girl's running, look at that. Now that's patina.
Look at the water pump on the front.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Hey you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today and our drive up here yesterday. We've been here for half the day. We're getting a little tired. There's a whole lot more trucks to see tomorrow. So we're gonna head back to the hotel and hang out for a little bit. So I'm gonna leave you with this big turb ski behind me on this Detroit diesel. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hey, can you